My 7th grade relationship consisted of better communication methods, and she brought me on a movie date where she brought her mom and her brother. True story.
I wanted to further my studies in college. Thanks to Kappa Chi for the connections, I've been able to take my research opportunities to the next level.
Ugh, I never met one attractive guy in ZBT. Until now.
Pledging is often described as the best thing you never want to do again. Just like getting circumcised or finding out you're adopted.
To being Kappa Chi, what do you want, cock nose? Or want it harder?
Wait, what?
Rival Nation, I'm here to talk to the Maryland basketball team about our prospects in the upcoming March Madness tournament. So how do you guys think you'll do?
I'm now on the team.
3 extra minutes to get to class because I have to walk around this construction. I do it probably 5 times a day, 5 days a week, done it for 12 weeks.
That adds up to
It's 900 minutes.
900 minutes.
She'll show you how to move. Catch yourself following too close. Keep your wits about your shoulder. Catch them moves. We'll talk so sweet and slow. She's smoking at your door. Hold this disco snack woman to her child.